Hello friends, is your car showing a check engine light, running rough on cold starts, or failing emissions tests? If you've scanned your vehicle and found P0411, don't ignore it. This code is related to the secondary air injection (SAI) system, which plays a key role in reducing emissions. If left unchecked, it can cause reduced performance, rough idling, and even engine damage over time. In this video, I'll explain what P0411 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. What is P0411? The P0411 error code stands for Secondary Air Injection System Incorrect Flow Detected. The SAI system helps burn unburned fuel by injecting fresh air into the exhaust during a cold start, reducing harmful emissions. The ECU monitors air pressure and flow using sensors, and if the airflow doesn't match the expected level, it triggers P0411. Common symptoms of P0411 include check engine light, CL, on, rough idle, especially when the engine is cold, lack of power or sluggish acceleration, unusual hissing or clicking noise from the air pump, and a failed emissions test. If you notice these issues, let's locate the key components of the SAI system. The SAI system consists of multiple components that vary by vehicle, but here's where you can find them. The secondary air pump is usually located in the front of the engine bay, often near the radiator or lower bumper area. Check valves, or one-way valves, are found between the air pump and exhaust manifold. The SAI pressure sensor is typically mounted on or near the intake manifold or close to the SAI hoses. The SAI relay and fuse are located inside the engine bay fuse box. Just a quick tip. The exact location varies by car model, so refer to your service manual for precise details. Common causes of P0411 include a faulty secondary air pump. The pump may fail, preventing proper airflow. Clogged or stuck check valves. Carbon buildup can restrict air from reaching the exhaust. Leaking or disconnected hoses. Any air leaks will disrupt airflow and trigger the code. A defective SAI pressure sensor. A faulty sensor won't report correct airflow data to the ECU. And finally, a blown fuse or faulty relay. A fuse failure can completely shut off the air pump. How to fix P0411? Step 1. Scan your car with an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0411 code. Step 2. Locate the secondary air pump and check if it's running during cold starts. Step 3. Inspect check valves and hoses for leaks or blockages. Step 4. Test the SAI pressure sensor using a multimeter and replace it if needed. Step 5. Check the relay and fuse in the engine bay and replace them if faulty. And Step 6. Clear the code using an obd2 scanner and take the car for a test drive. The P0411 code can cause performance issues and emissions failure if not fixed. Regular maintenance of the SAI system, hoses and sensors can prevent costly repairs in the future. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next: P0110, intake air temperature sensor circuit malfunction, and P0111, intake air temperature sensor performance issue. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.